morning students. Today we are going to perform an activity electroplating a coin with copper. So for this we need a battery, thick copper wire, clip and a coin and a copper sulfate solution. First of all, fix a metal clip on a coin and connect it to the negative terminal of the battery and connect the positive terminal of the battery to a thick wire. Then place the coin and the copper wire in the copper sulfate solution and both the coin and copper wire should not be touched to each other. After some time, you will notice that the coin will get coated with the copper. Now, why copper is deposited over the coin? Because when electricity is passed through the solution, the positively charged copper ion move to the cathode, that is toward the coin. There the copper ion gains electron and get deposited as a copper metal. So, what is electroplating? The process of depositing a thin layer of a desired metal over a metal object with the help of electric current. Here you can see copper get deposited over the coin. So, electroplating we use for preventing the corrosion and for decoration purpose. Similarly, bathroom tab made of iron are electroplated with chromium metal to prevent their corrosion or rusting.